The word relationship has the word ship, which actually tells us that our relations are really the ship for us to know our deeper true self. We all have relationship issues. We all sometimes feel like this relationship is just not working for me, or relationships are a pain. But actually, in the true sense, what are relationships? They are mirrors. Friends, we are spiritual beings having a physical experience, and we come here because we want to grow, because we want to learn lessons. Because here, truly, we want to be those unconditionally loving, accepting beings. That is our true nature. And to learn this, we actually take contrast experiences. So we choose people who will come to us as challenges, who will teach us some lessons. Every relationship that is disturbing you, so be it today that you get triggered when you go down in a rickshaw and a rickshaw driver behaves badly with you, or a colleague behaving badly with you, or maybe something with your husband or your mother. Now, every relationship is going to mirror to you different things. We learn about this concept of mirrors in the 2-day Radiant Relationship Workshop. The Essenes, who are the teachers of Jesus Christ, they have beautifully given these 7 types of mirrors. Understanding these 7 types of mirrors in the 2-day workshop, we work on these mirrors. You actually go through processes, meditations, experiences where you will understand which kind of a mirror is that rickshaw driver, which kind of a mirror is that your husband or your mother. What is it that they are mirroring to you? Remember that when we are seeing something in a mirror which we are not liking, it is not wise to change the mirror, but it is wise to really see what is it that I need to change in myself so that I can truly be the infinite, unconditional, loving being that I am.